Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do a microlink maintenance. My client here has had these microlinks in for about 4 weeks, and as you can see, her hair has grown out substantially. Her hair in between has kind of got a little bit tangled, but that's normal. But I'm going to get her all the way back together. First things first, you're going to start at the bottom and section out the part where you want to begin. Right now, I'm going to begin by cutting off the track that I have sewn on to the microlink. Be careful not to cut your client's hair. It's kind of hard to see because, you know, the client's hair may be wrapped around the track, but try your best. So next, you're going to want to open up those links and slide them gently off of your client's hair. And I'm actually keeping them so that I can reuse it to attach the hair back. You're also going to want to detangle the hair properly because there is a lot of shedded hair that should have came out. And you don't want that to get in the way and cause any tingling or matting when you reapply the tracks.
Safari. You better keep your eyes on me. I know you know the only one who's watching me.
So I'm going to start by taking small sections of hair and sliding each link up to the root, making sure to keep the parts nice and neat.
I see the fire in your eyes, it makes me feel, it takes me high, so bring it on the dance floor. Baby, you better start this right, I'm losing it, I can't control, this must be love.
This next part is super easy. You're just going to take the link, slide it up to the root, and close it tight. Not too tight where your client is going to have a headache after they leave though. Take that old track that you took off in the beginning and sew it down nice and neat.
Come on boy, move that body, 'cause tonight I'm naughty, naughty. Dance with me like it's my party. We go out, we're in safari. Come on boy, move that body. Come on boy, move that body. We go out, we're in safari. Safari.
Please, allow me to show you something.
Somebody give me, somebody give me, somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer, me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and I'm alone. Part of me that cared is gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know.
So you're going to continue to do the same steps until you get to the top of the head. Be careful not to cut your client's hair as you're removing the track. Reapply the links, close them down, and restitch the tracks.
Remember the night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. I'm up reminiscing, and thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what good it would do if I decide to face the truth. It could have been right, but I was wrong. I only think about you and no. You only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't get caught up. We could've been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could've been. I'm holding it in, cause I know in the end you dream about, I think about what we could've been. We could've been.
So we're just about done with this install. I've made sure I kept those parts clean and consistent, and also making sure that her extensions are laying super flat. You know, you want this install to look seamless and undetectable. So it should be looking like it's coming straight from her scalp.
What we could've been, what we should've been. If I wasn't with somebody, if we gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, no, what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my eyes, don't that feel nice? Why should it end? Baby, I could've been him or your friend. Just say what and when, where to make a trip. Baby, make a wish, be the one I'm with. Should've been it, shoulda, coulda, would have been. Hey, yeah, I would have been. Damn. Yeah, I would have been.
And we're done.
Shows up right when he said he would, with flowers in his hand. Chivalry ain't dead. Well, everybody seems to look down at a phone screen. He's looking at me, yeah. When it gets hard to see.
So I got started with styling her hair up, and we decided to wear it straight. And look at the body. Yes.
And it brings me back in time, back in time. To dance, no, he's not looking over. Them bitches over my shoulder, yeah. When it gets hard to see it, black and white, black and white. He takes my hand and brings me back in time, back in time.
She is all done. Look at how beautiful her hair is, guys. Look at the bounce. Look at the natural shine. It's absolutely flawless. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon.